I'm letting random bells control my painting, and I'm not allowed to change anything. Each category controls style, color, and texture. Whatever I pick, I'm stuck with. Abstract. No, that's literally the one category I didn't want. All right, let's see what color I'm stuck with. Black and white. Ah, again, I was really hoping for a splash of colors, but okay. Black and white it is. I'm going to stop here. Let's pick the next category first, and then I'll go back and finish it. Lines, okay. This actually, I think this is good. I've been building the fur with these flowing stroke lines, so I'll just push that definition even further. I actually really enjoy this experiment. If you do too, please give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you enjoy watching creations come to life, watch this next.